Ka Jingïakhun san ka Nongkhaïi Masi khai moj lingba uput Meghalaya bat Bangladesh kala wanra ru ya ka jingepin ibor hapadeng kibor Shipai BSF bat kin Nongkhaïi tu haki kendiat sngi baladem nadu basdang ukelalun kot arhajar apusan hadu ka arpui tarik unaitung arhajar apusan ki Shipai BSF kila yok kurup khatsan spa laipusan teli ki Masi ki moj ki basyong dor klor apun reulak tingka bat tang hapo arpo sngi uniu benai naitung arhajar apusan ki Shipai BSF kila yok Ktem Chispa prapunyo teligi jingri ki basyong dor laipholak laipuwe hajar tingka. U Inspector General ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier u OP Upadhyaya ula kedo bah ki shiteng snem baladep ka peni baka her ka kam thai tu bat ka keupat ha unaitung bat khambun ka dailing ba ka East Khasi Hills District. Laong baka sarkar jela kampat shimti ya ki Masi ki mud bat kidang donsa ha ki Ktem BSF nadu ki binai nailar bat nailur arhajar arpusaw ha ka ba ki Shipai Kylla kelalong kinongri Masi. Dangshen keladon ka Jingïakhun ki Shipai BSF bat ki Nongkhaïi tu Masi ki badai na Bangladesh bat na India ha ka baladon ka Jingïakhun ibor ha ki benta ka Rinku bat Betgora. Laong makini ki Nongkhaïi tu kila ra da ki Atiar pen Mynsaw bat thombor ya ki BSF ha ka baladon na ki bala Mynsaw. Ki bor Shipai BSF ru ki Jingïakhun da ka bapendon kam da ki but ban nomja ki jingjawa sngosi Henry tangban penher kerat ya ki Nongkhaïi tu.
Actually, in general, this is not the case in other part of the Meghalaya. We are having not a very big problem, but in East Khasi Hill district, there are certain operational constraint with the police and the animal husbandry department. So we have taken up the case with the animal husbandry department to lift these cattle from the BSF BOPs because it's a very difficult proposition for BSF Jawan to look after these cattle. So yes, in a partial sense, this is true, and we are working with the state administration. So East Khasi Hill, some of the cattle are seized in the month of September, October 2024, and still the concerned animal husbandry department is not able to lift these cattle from the BSF BOPs. Exactly, I don't have the figure, but this is around 100 odd cattle are still uh, available with the BSF and which has to be picked up by the animal husbandry departments and the local police and the SCPA, the concerned agencies. Uh, Very recently, in Rinku and Betgora area, there was an incident of uh, cattle smuggling in which some of the Bangladeshis cattle smugglers along with the Indian cattle smugglers, they try to smuggle the cattle heads from India to Bangladesh. So during that process, our troops try to stop them, and the Bangladeshi smuggler they started stone pelting. They become very aggressive, use da and other implement to harm the BSF personnel. So in the process of stopping those cattle smugglers, BSF has taken certain measures. So during that process, due to the stone pelting and other attacks, some of our BSF personnel they got injured, and during that process, we followed the ultimate restraint and used minimum force, and apparently we were able to save those cattle. So this was the incident. No, there was no firing from other side. The miscreants they used stones, they used da, and they used sticks to attack the BSF personnel. And BSF personnel also used non-lethal munitions to disperse them. And resultantly, we were able to rescue some of the cattle, and we also saved our boys from the clutches of the smugglers. Some of the boys they got injured during this process. Actually, if we analyze the cattle smuggling during 2025, so in the first half, in comparison to the 2024, there was a reduction in the cattle smuggling from the Meghalaya border. But of late, in the month of July, we are seeing some upsurge in the efforts of the cattle smuggling. And I have been told that this is a general tendency during the month of July and August because of the rain in the border area and flash flood in the border area. The efforts for cattle smuggling is on a higher side.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.